I'm Derek, I'm a senior at Gresham, and we're doing a segment on Super Bowl snacks, and I thought I'd make you guys my party wings. First, I like to add... First, I like... It's hard.
It is.
First, I like to add my... Once I got my gloves on, add the chicken to the bowl. So first, I start by adding my casual lemon pepper, I guess. Probably need more than this, but it's really whatever you want. Pepper, salt and pepper. This is for the dry rub. Next, you want to add your cornstarch. And you want to add a lot more than this because once you add the oil, it will make it crunchier, I guess you could say. You just want to mix your chicken in nice and good. Next, I add the oil because when you use an air fryer, you need oil to make it nice and crispy. And again, mix it up. Once you feel like things are mixed up enough and the oil is evenly coated on all sides of the chicken, you can add your parchment paper to your air fryer. But you don't necessarily have to, it's just easier for cleanup once the chicken is done cooking. Once you got your parchment paper in there to make it easier for cleanup, just add your chicken. Once the chicken's in there, to add some more flavor, I like to grab the lemon pepper, salt. Oh my god, I forgot Old Bay. Once you got everything in, I like to add a few more things, like your Old Bay pepper and some more lemon pepper to it, because it gives it a little bit of that extra flavor. Just get it whatever you feel is necessary. So, Old Bay. Lemon pepper. So once you got everything in there, however you want it, add your lid to your air fryer. Things are ready. So, to cook it, you want to hit air fry. Time will be 13 minutes, and then temperature will be 375, and then hit start. So once they're done cooking, you want to grab your pepper, lemon pepper, and Old Bay. You're just going to do the same thing you did last time, just whatever you feel is necessary, just to give it that good extra flavor. I like extra Old Bay. I think it gives it some good flavor. It's just one of my things. You don't have to do it. So once you're done adding whatever you want on it, you just want to pop the lid back on. And then you're going to come back, you're going to hit air fry. You're going to do 7 minutes roughly for the time. Temperature will be 400. And hit start. Alright, now. So once your wings are done cooking, you want to grab your spatulas and flip them over. Once it's done, pop that lid on. And I like to start and on my tongs. You want to grab whatever wing you want. Looks nice and yummy. Put Put it in the sauce that you pre-made. Just get it nice and evenly coated, and then just repeat that for the rest of the wings. You can have it there. So once you're done coating the wings in the sauce, you want to let them marinate and cool off, and once give it like 5 minutes or so, and they will taste a lot better and look a lot better. This is my wing. It's my recipe. If you guys ever make it, let me know. Hope you guys enjoy it.